Two guys went to visit a fortune teller. Like they were desperate of how the wood they will turn out in the future. Are they gonna be rich or are they gonna be poor? They are both desperate to see what they will turn out to be. They visited the fortune teller. After much incantation, the fortune teller revealed to them. One of the guys, he revealed to him that you're gonna be a king. Like you're gonna be the next king in this environment, like in this village. You're gonna be the next king. First one that he told that was very happy. Like, well, I'm gonna be a king, so what do I need? I'm gonna be a king, so have no worries. The second one, his future was that he was gonna be a poor man. That was his future. Like after everything, he revealed that he was gonna be a poor man. Now, here is where things get even more funnier. The first one I told that he was gonna be a king was very happy. Like he jumped up, being happy. Went home and started rejoicing. Like, well, I'm gonna be the king. I'm gonna be a king in this place. I'm gonna be a king. Went home. While the second one that he was told that he's gonna be a poor man, he was very sad. He went home crying, like dreading over it. How am I gonna be a poor man? Like, I'm not gonna be anything. So that kept on disturbing him. He finally took a decision that he was gonna leave that place to go hustle for himself. He actually left the village to the city where he was working hard day in, day out. This time around, he was doubling on his hustle, engaging himself in different things just to make sure that he makes money because he was so sad. Continuously, his efforts actually leaded him to success. You know, when you keep on doing something over and over again, eventually it will compound. He kept on working hard day in, day out. The first year, he actually saved up some money. He eventually got his first house. He continued in the city, continued working hard. He actually got married. Started raising the children up, actually opened some firms like companies, and he was living very well. Like he actually lived very well. Why he was here in the city prospering with his handwork, the other one was still in the village waiting for when the king is going to die so that he will take over the throne. Now, here's the irony of everything. No matter what you're told to be, like no matter what the future holds, there's one thing for sure. You have the power to design your future. Like it is very easy. Our life is an empty chalkboard where it's now left for you to graft out what you really want for yourself. So here are three main principles that I really want anyone that's starting out always implement, because these three principles are what are going to guarantee whether you're going to be successful in life or not. It is that factually true, nothing more, nothing less. Number one principle that I really want everyone to implement is the fact that have a distinct objective. You understand? I want to be rich. You understand? That is everyone's general objective. Like I want to be rich. Now, when I mean a distinct objective, that what are you going to do that will make you rich? Like me, I really love content creation, but it looks as if like I'm not putting that effort. That's for sure. You understand? So everyone have their own distinct objective. No one will be poor in this life. Like it is so clear. Nobody wants to be poor anyhow in this life. Everyone will be rich, have luxurious life, like living well, take care of family, have the wonderful family ever after. That's one distinct objective. The next thing is that are people succeeding through that career path you've chosen? Now, you may say that I want to go into like content creation. It can be whatever thing you're doing. It can even be like I want to be a doctor, I want to be a lawyer, I want to be an entrepreneur. Whatever aspect of life you're choosing, bro, you need to calm down and tell yourself like, has people be succeeding with this part? Like whenever it comes to content creation, like it is vast majority that most people are succeeding with this career path. Not one, not two, not three, not three. In fact, we have witnessed people's life change from practically from zero to hero, and they are like many more are still following this same career path. So whatever career path you've chosen must be distinct. Are people succeeding with it? If you can clearly point out one or two persons that have actually gotten great through that career path, bro, you're free to move in. That's life for you. But again, let's say that you can actually make something good from it and people are actually doing great with that career path. Now, the last thing, and this is what really determines how far you're going to go in life, because the other two may be set aside, may not be that necessary and compulsory. But if you miss this last one, you ain't going nowhere, bro. I really mean like you ain't going nowhere. That is what I call consistency, or you can make it like known as iteration. Bro, no matter what you're doing in this life, if you're not consistent with it, bro, you're not going anywhere. So whatever you're choosing, at first it may seem very difficult. At first it may look as if like you're not getting anything from there. Like it may look as if that is one of the wrongest choice you might even consider doing. But bro, as long as you're being consistent in it, See, the sky is just only the beginning, bro. Like now, for those religious ones, like me, I'm actually a Christian, but let me just like iterate more into the scripture because it's even biblical for it to be consistent. Jesus Christ, I mean not quote it correctly, but Jesus Christ was actually telling his disciples and the crowd like a parable. He was saying that, oh God, why can't I get this parable very well? Okay, I will just summarize the parable actually, but you may go do your research to get more about the parable. He was saying that if a widow is being robbed of her justice, you understand? Maybe she was robbed of something because she has nobody, you understand? Then, because of the widow's consistent playing and disturbance, like going to the king's palace, like going to the king's gate, hitting it on daily basis, now the king has no option than to hear her own side of the story and give her the justice she dearly deserves. Because why? If the king does not give her what she needs, she will keep on banging at the king's gate. That is life for you, bro. That is the real definition of life. As long as you keep on doing something, it has no option than to work for you. So these three principles really guide you a lot. So if you can take it very serious, bro, you're gonna achieve loads. Me myself, I know I've not been putting those effort like when it comes to content creation. Like I started trying since like 2021, but I'm still where I am today because why? I had the distinct objective, which is really planned out. I can really point out people that are really achieving great in this YouTube content creation of the team. But the last part was what was keeping me behind, which is that consistency, bro. But like I said, a problem known is a problem half solved. So you all know the problem that is peculiar to you, that is like similar to you, that is unique to you. So you all know how to follow it up. So that's all I have to say, bro. So if you enjoyed this video and I really want to like see me upload more content like this, make sure to stick around and actually drop a like on my video. And I will see you next time.